Today is the 50th anniversary celebration community day for the Shepherd School of Music. We're so excited to be 50 years old and to be able to open up the doors to all kinds of neighborhoods in Houston and just welcome in to have some great musical experiences.
Rice University and the Shepherd School of Music, they're such a gift to the Houston community. Just really the center of this intellectual city that we live in, a city that's so accessible, that welcomes everyone, and we really saw that here on Community Day.
It starts with a family concert, and we have this incredible performance of Peter and the Wolf. It's bilingual in Spanish and English.
This was Celine's first live performance of Peter and the Wolf.
My favorite instrument was the violin. Fun, dramatic, and very memorable.
Our new conductor of orchestras, Miguel Harth-Bedoya, who is Peruvian-American, is leading the charge. And I think Sammy the Owl is helping out a little bit as well, which is super fun. Right after that, he's actually teaching everyone how to conduct from the podium with the full orchestra in front of him. We also have face painting, chamber music. We've got one thing going on in our black box where students can go in and there's an iPad in front of them and they can press different squares that make different musical sounds. We work with our music students a lot to help them understand that sometimes maybe you just need to sit on the floor with a new kid to show them how approachable the instrument is or how much fun it can be. We know that for so many of these students and families, it's their first interaction with classical music, and so we've taken it really seriously. We want to make sure that we can give them an experience that's fun, that they begin to attach themselves to the joy of making music, and hopefully they'll keep coming back to campus over and over again.
I think that we need to spread the word so that more people come and take advantage of a resource that's here in the heart of the city.
We're just so grateful for this all Shepherd School initiative. It's taken staff and faculty and students to all work together to pull this day off. And I'm so grateful that we all get to be at a place like the Shepherd School at Rice University where we can do these kinds of things.